Good morning, Gators. I'm Mr. Miller, and this is, and you're watching Good Morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. The weather today will be cloudy with only a chance of rain later on tonight. The high temperature will be 56 degrees, and the chance of rain is 10%. Are you out of here? Okay. April 28th is Superhero Day. Superhero Day reminds us that often superheroes are just everyday, regular people. Those people that make an impact on our lives. People like firefighters, police officers, doctors, nurses, parents, teachers, neighbors, anyone that steps in to help you out if you're hurt or having a hard time would be a superhero. So even you could be a superhero, and you wouldn't have to wear your underwear on the outside of your pants. Yesterday's Microscope object was Queen Barb, a toy from the Trolls World Tour movie right here. This is a very popular movie in our house. We've watched it like, 19, 20 times already. Were you able to guess it? Also, if you haven't seen the movie yet, we highly recommend it. Tiny Diamond is my name. Yeah, it's good. You should watch it. Your work for week 6 of our leave from school will either be delivered or picked up at the elementary school cafeteria today. Work hard, do your best, reach out to your teachers if you need help, and remember to take some breaks if needed. That's all for today, everyone. Be well, Gators. All one. Bye-bye.